SambaNova just launched Agents, an open-source agentic AI system that compresses long workflows into a single prompt. Voice mode, OAuth connectors, secure sandboxes, and lightning-fast DeepSeek inference all in one place. SambaNova Agents automates full workflows in one prompt. It pulls data from your tools, analyzes it, runs code in secure sandboxes, creates reports or tickets, and sends updates, all powered by fast DeepSeek models and OAuth connections. To get started, go to sambanova.ai, add your SambaNova API key, connect the apps you want, Gmail, Jira, Drive, Notion, and you're ready. Just speak to the agent or type your query. It handles the workflow automatically. Now, I'll give a live demo of SambaNova Agents, asking about Model Context Protocol and showing how it answers, pulls data, completes tasks, and even converts responses into reports or docs and sends them directly to your Gmail once connected.
To use SambaNova agent, you have to go to chat.sambanova.ai. Okay, so I am inside the agent environment. Then click on settings. Then click on get key and just paste your SambaNova API key here. And here you can connect your apps. You can connect to Google Workspace. You can connect to Jira, PayPal, Notion. And it's time to ask question to agent now. Simply click on Ctrl space. I'm going to ask now, can you tell me what is Model Context Protocol and why it is so important?
Okay, let me look into that for you. Alright, so the Model Context Protocol, it's basically a universal connector that lets AI systems talk to external tools and databases in a standardized way. Think of it like USB for AI. Instead of building custom integrations for every single tool, you build once and it works everywhere. That's why companies like OpenAI and Google are adopting it, because it solves this massive integration headache and lets AI actually take actions, not just chat.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. I'm glad that explanation helped clear things up for you. Feel free to ask if you want to dive deeper into how it works or explore any other topics.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, great. So what specifically about the Model Context Protocol caught your interest? Are you thinking about implementing it in a project? Or are you more curious about how different AI systems are using it right now?
If this gave you ideas for your own automations, don't wait. Start your developer tier journey today and try SambaNova Agents completely free. Go build something awesome and let me know what workflow you want me to test next.